I fought hard, tooth and nail, worked on my appeals, argued with the lawyers, had my brother go down to the lawyer's office, try to make him see it my way. And I was studying law. And I found some existing Supreme Court case law, like Blockberger versus the United States. It's a case that had been holding for 50 years. And I watched a guy get a reversal under it right here in Texas Death Row. And the lawyer didn't want to argue mine the same way. And I was like, why not? He had his ideas, and I had a pretty clear understanding of law after several years of studying it. And I finally got him to agree to argue it my way, and they reversed the sentence, but not this. They reversed the sentence, but not the guilt innocence. Texas is a bifurcated system. You have guilt innocence phase. You're found guilty, then you go to sentencing phase, and it's life or death if you're found guilty of capital murder. So I got a sentencing reversal on October 24, 2001. And I sat here fighting it on appeal of the appeal. You win some action on appeal, and they get to appeal that all the way up to the Supreme Court. I sat here until 2005, summer of 2005, and I finally was taken back to Harris County for the sentencing retrial. I fought for a full retrial, rehearings, further rehearing. I had a rehearing granted, pro se on my own. I had lawyers writing me, telling me, send me a copy of what you did. I know attorneys have been in the game 20 years and never had a rehearing granted on a death penalty case. Of course, my lawyer was pulling his hair out because I no longer had a punishment reversal. I now have my case resubmitted for reconsideration on rehearing. And he was livid. He was asking me, are you crazy? I was like, no. They gave me a half solution to a whole problem, and I'm willing to put all the chips on number 7 and spin the wheel again. So I did. And ultimately, the lawyer wouldn't do anything else to help me but file a response in the Supreme Court, what he was required to do. And I filed a pro se cross petition in the Supreme Court arguing for a full reversal. I created so much work for the district attorney's office with the rehearing being granted and then withdrawn as improperly granted.